Your home is likely your single greatest investment, and when people arrive at your door, the view from the curb is their first impression and sets the stage for what's to come. Proper front yard landscaping will accentuate the architecture of your home, gently steering visitors towards your front door. The front of your home is what a potential buyer will first see, perhaps even on Google Street View before even visiting the neighborhood, so the importance of good curb appeal cannot be understated. Trees are important. Trees can be used to frame the front of your home, provide shade, some privacy, and generally soften the front of your home. Fun statistic, a home with mature trees in the front yard will sell for 3% more than an identical home without one. Generally, the front yard is where you might not wish to sink the majority of your landscaping budget, but a lot can be done for a reasonable amount of money. A common request for us is to create a lawnless front yard. This can be a good route to go for water conservation and reduced maintenance, especially if the space isn't very big. Hardy plant materials, rocks, and mulch following a xeriscape concept can accomplish this and look great doing it. Courtyards or small sitting areas can be incorporated into a front yard space, providing additional interest as well as a functional space to utilize. These spaces can be quite private or partially open to the street, enhancing your interactions with your neighbors. Often these spaces take advantage of sun or shade not available in other parts of the yard at the same time. You may also wish to distinguish yourself from your neighbors with an engraved address rock or monument. If you have a significant slope, retaining walls may be required. Get in contact with us. We'll discuss what you've got, and we'll show you some possibilities for your front yard.
It was not what I would say is my normal experience with contractors. It was a really nice. They were in, they were out, they were done.
Previous contractors we've had over the years, there's always a problem or a challenge or a disappointment, and we just don't seem to have that with Peter's team.
There wasn't a day or a minute where I thought we had hired the wrong people to work with us. We absolutely hired the right people.
We're very pleased. Unlike most construction projects, we came in budget and it was done very quickly, and they worked hard at it.
And things flowed so smoothly, and it finished up on time, on budget. And no stone was left unturned. We were very happy with the end results.